So hello everyone, it's your guy Deepson. Welcome to my YouTube channel D's Codes, and today I'll be showing you how to use an online automation tool to automate any technical workflow on your day-to-day life, and I'll also kind of give you tips and tricks on how you can use it to make money. So the tool that I'm gonna teach you guys today, it's called Make.com. So it's an online automation tool. It's available as a website, pretty much openable through any browser. And what you can do using it is create information technology workflow to chain different tools and technologies together. Now it's 2024, right, guys? And you might be using different LLMs like ChatGPT or Gemini AI or Cloud AI in one form or the other. Heck, I use ChatGPT these days more than Google, and with Make.com you can chain different LLMs together, feeding the output from one LLM into another LLM and further feeding that output into some other technology. So today we are going to take output given to us from an LLM in the form of a post and a caption and post it to Facebook. Let's go to the demo. So let's head to the Make.com website. It's the workflow automation building tool. As you can see, it's got a pretty neat user interface. We log into the UI using our credentials. The most important thing that's here in the dashboard, it's this scenarios tab where we go in to see all of the different scenarios. So I've got only one scenario, which is equivalent to one workflow here. Let's go check what that scenario is. It's the social media PR machine. And I'm gonna handhold you guys through building this social media PR machine technical workflow, and by the end of this video you'll be able to build something like this of your own, or add more complicated layers on top of it to build something unique for your use case. So what we have here is a combination of different tools. So we start with Perplexity AI on the left hand side, and that's gonna generate some output which is gonna be fed into ChatGPT LLM modules here to generate a summarized caption out of the output given by Perplexity AI, and it's also gonna generate a image out of that, and we are gonna create a Facebook post. So all of this is automated. Perplexity AI, for your knowledge, is essentially Google combined with AI. It's a completely different service. Unlike Google, where it produces bunch of noise and resources which might or might not be useful, with Perplexity AI you can target what resource you want this tool to pull up from the website. So here we are asking Perplexity AI to pull up any particular news article regarding technology, crypto, stocks, etc., which might be of particular interest to the people who are subscribed to our Facebook page, and we are feeding that article to generate a caption for our Facebook page, and that's going to be done by ChatGPT. And we're also asking ChatGPT via this module to generate image to go with the post. So we are asking DALL-E 3 module given by OpenAI to do that. This Facebook module, it's going to combine the output given by ChatGPT, which is going to be the photo, image, and the caption to create a post out of it and to actually post it to our Facebook page. So let's run this flow to see what inputs and outputs are going to be. It's running. Perplexity AI is generating output. It's passing that over to ChatGPT module, which has generated a caption for us, and it's passed that to generate an image to our DALL-E 3 module provided by OpenAI. This whole schedule, it's technically supposed to run once every 12 hours. So you can see how we can go about automating the posting of Facebook post every day, and it ran successfully all the way through, and our Facebook post must be there. So let's quickly jump over to Facebook to see what actual post it might have posted here. And this is the exciting post which it just produced. It's got something to do with Elon Musk doing something with Neuralink, and there are some updates on some brain implants getting created. So it's a really catchy, exciting news that got completely created and posted in an automated fashion by our social media PR machine workflow. Now think of this: the potential workflows you can create, the potential layers you can add to this workflow, and a lot of other things you can do by connecting various other tools that Make.com has integration for. The possibilities are endless to print as much money as you want. All of this, which would have previously required human intervention, a person doing this on a regular basis, can be completely automated. If you want to go a level up, you can create a full-blown SaaS web product just simply by using make.com. That's what this whole website tool is designed for you to do. Now let me walk you through the steps to create this simple workflow. So let's head over to the scenarios page again. Let's create a new scenario here. We start out with our first module, which is Perplexity AI. But before that, I'm gonna quickly walk you through all of the different modules and tools we can connect this workflow to. We can make HTTP calls, and just to remind you, you do not need to have any sort of technical background to be able to use make.com. Or maybe you are a programmer and you want to code up your application completely from the scratch, but still you can use this application to create an MVP and do market testing of your product. And if it works, then only go about writing your own customized code to create the program. But you do not need to be a coder at all these days, as you can see through this product, to be able to create a software as a service application, or for that matter any other technical workflow. So here you can do integrations with HTTP module, with Airtable, which is essentially Google Sheets on steroid. It also perform integration with Notion, which is a modern note-taking app. You can see that it's got some Gmail integration as well. Now think about the possibilities you can do by being able to send automated Gmail emails. You can send newsletters in an automated fashion. You can send automated message to all of your clients by connecting your Airtable database to Gmail. You can also perform integrations with Telegram bot and Instagram, Pinterest. So it's not just Facebook you can post your content to, but all of these other social media apps too. So let's get started with Perplexity AI. Let's create a chat completion prompt. I'm gonna select Mixtral instruct model, and I'm gonna type in the thing that I want Perplexity AI to bring me back. So this is done. Let's just run this module to see what Perplexity AI gets us back. Choices, message. You can see that it's got us this content regarding Elon Musk secretly backing OpenAI's new crypto project, sensational leap in artificial intelligence. Now Elon Musk, please don't sue me. This was a result generated by Perplexity AI and not me. Now let's connect this to our OpenAI model, and we want a chat completion prompt, and we want this to be connected to our OpenAI model via an API key. Let me quickly grab that. Let's go with ChatGPT 4o Mini, which has got the ability to accept large amount of user tokens as input, and let's provide the message we want to prompt OpenAI API with. So we say, hey OpenAI, please create a snappy catchy summary for this data that's provided to us by Perplexity AI, and I want this to be posted on social media. Ensure that the content is visually appealing. We are saying that use this input provided by Perplexity AI to create your snappy summary. So in Perplexity AI, we got the output in our choices field inside our message field in content. We hit OK, and then let's run this flow. Perplexity AI has already produced an output. OpenAI API is using it to produce its own output. So let's add another OpenAI module here. We are now using DALL-E to generate an image instead. The model we select is going to be DALL-E 3, and the prompt we are providing this with is asking it to generate a photorealistic image. So I'm also going to say use this result summary to generate the photorealistic image and ensure any text on the image is grammatically correct. And we want to use a snappy summary caption to generate a related image, and we hit OK. Now let's see what image it generated for us. Perplexity AI is on the works. It's found an article, passed it to OpenAI API to generate a snappy summary for us, which has passed that in turn to the DALL-E 3 model to generate an image for us for our exciting social media post. Now let's look at the output it generated for us. Inside data, we can see that it's provided us with this URL. Copy pasted that into a tab, and we are going to see that this exciting image was generated. Now finally, let's integrate all of this with our Facebook module. Let's create a post, set up the connection to our page D's Codes on Facebook, and on the message we ask you to pass the snappy summary that was created by our OpenAI API. Pass the URL of the image that DALL-E model gave to this link input box, and then voila, so all of that was connected. So let's run this model from head to toe. Looks like it's also created a Facebook page post for us, so let's go ahead and check it. And we definitely do see that a new Facebook page post was created for us. Eye-catchy, and I hope to see a lot of user interactions with this post. Say that we want the same post to be posted on Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram page, or just go on adding a module. So you can do something like, add a router here for controlling your flow. So you instead placed a router in between your OpenAI model output and your Facebook page, and now you can go on to add say your Twitter, currently X, formerly Twitter module, to be able to create a post maybe and then link it to the same router. You can also add a LinkedIn module to create a user image post, and then you can add it to the same router. And let's make this look really pretty by using this auto align feature. So so you can use the router to direct your post to all of these different social media, and this is awesome. You can make this run like every day at a specific hour. Say we want this to be posted every day at 12 a.m. midnight, and this is going to be all automated. And that was it. Simple enough, right? So go ahead, get started with this, build your technical workflows, and start printing some money. And if you've got any exciting ideas that you want me to build using this platform, feel free to shoot it down in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on this video. Please do like and subscribe for exciting content in the future. Peace.